Hi everyone, welcome to Televen's mathematics tutorial. We are still looking at completing the square method of solving quadratic equation. And today we are going to solve this question. Please make sure you like, subscribe, drop a comment, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you follow us for more mathematics tutorials. Today we'll be looking at this question. It says using the method of completing the square, find the root of the equation 2 over 3x squared plus 1 over 2x minus 8 equals to 0. They said leave your answer in terms of square root. Let us look how we can be able to resolve this question using completing the square method of quadratic equation. We have what? 2 over 3 x squared plus 1 over 2x minus 8 is equal to what? 0. My brothers and my sisters, let us make this to look in form of a quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So how are we going to make it to look in form of this? We are going to multiply all through by the LCM. Multiply all through by the LCM. Let's multiply all through by the LCM. What is the LCM of 3, 2? Let's make this guy to be also in fraction. What is the LCM of 3, 2, and 1? We have what? 6. So let's multiply all through by the LCM, which is what? 6. We have 6 times 2 over 3x squared plus 6 times 1 over 2x minus 6 times 8 over 1 equals to 6 times 0 over 1. So this is it. 3 here one time, 3 in 6, we have 2 times, and 2 times 2 is what? 4x squared, because of this x squared here. So we have this to be 2 here, 1, 2 in 6, 3. 3 times 1 is what? 3x minus 6. 1 in 6, 6 times 8. What do we have? 48 is equal to 1 in 6, 6 times 0, we have 0. So what are we going to do? Now, it's of this form. If you look very well, it's of this form. It's of this form. It's of this form. So, what are we going to do? Since we are solving by completing the square method, we are going to collect like 10, take minus 48 to the other side, have 4x squared plus 3x is equal to 48. So what are we going to do? We are going to divide all through by the coefficient of x squared. 4. What is the coefficient of x squared? 4. So we are dividing all through. 4 go with 4. We have x squared plus 3 over 4x is equal to 48 divided by 4. We have 12. So what are we going to do? We are going to take half coefficient of x. Since we are solving by completing the square method, we are going to take half coefficient of x, square it, and add it to both sides of the equation. This is it. 1 over 2 coefficient of x. What is coefficient of x? 3 over 4. So 1 times 3 is 3 over 2 times 4 is 8. So we are going to square it and add it to both sides of the equation. What are we going to have? We have plus 3 over 4x. You know, we said take half coefficient of this guy, square it, and add it to both sides. We have plus 3 over 8 squared is equal to 12 plus 3 over 8 all squared. My brothers and my sisters, we have x squared plus 3 over 4x plus 3 squared is what? 9 over 8 squared, 64. 8 squared, 64 is equal to 12 plus 3 squared is what? 9 over 8 squared. 64. So what are we going to do? What are we going to do? By factorizing the left hand side, we get x plus 3 over 8 all square is equals to, find the LCM of this. We have 64. The LCM of 1 and 64 is 64. 1 is 64 is 64. 64 times 12, what do we have? 768 plus 64 is 64. 1 times 9 is what? 9. So what are we going to have? We have x plus 3 over 8 squared is equals to 768 plus 9. We have 777 over 64. Are you following? So, what are we going to do? We take the square root of both sides. Taking the square root of both sides, we have square root of x plus 3 over 8 squared is equal to, now we introduce the plus or minus. Plus or minus square root of 777 over 64. Square root to go with square. So my brothers and sisters, we are going to have x plus 3 all over 8 is equal to plus or minus 777 is not a perfect square. We have square root of 777 all over square root of 64 is 8. And s is equal to, by collecting like 10, x will be equal to, this one is plus, take it to the other side, have minus 3 over 8 plus or minus square root of 777 over 8. Now we are going to take the LCM of 8 and 8. We have s is equal to, the LCM of 8 and 8 is 8. So 8 in 8, 1. 1 times minus 3, we have minus 3 plus or minus 8 in 8, 1. 1 times the square root of 777, we have square root of 777. So mind you, the question said leave your answer in terms of square root. So no need to simplify here. We just leave our answer in this form. Please make sure you like, comment, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Don't forget, this is Tony Ben's mathematics tutorial. Turn on the notification bell so that you follow us for more mathematics tutorials.